In this intense courtroom video, two very different cases unfold under the steady control of Judge Simpson, each bringing its own level of drama, tension, and unexpected moments. From the very beginning, the atmosphere is charged as real-life conflicts take center stage, showing how quickly legal proceedings can turn chaotic when emotions run high. What starts as a routine hearing soon becomes something far more unpredictable, pulling viewers into the reality of courtroom pressure and human behavior under stress. The first case dives into a landlord-tenant dispute where unpaid rent has led to a possible eviction. While the situation may seem straightforward at first, it quickly escalates when personal issues spill into the courtroom. Emotions take over, interruptions begin, and the hearing turns into a mix of legal arguments and emotional outbursts. Despite the disorder, Judge Simpson remains calm and focused, carefully guiding the situation back on track while ensuring that both sides are heard. Just when things seem to settle, the second case brings a completely different kind of seriousness. This hearing reveals behavior that goes beyond simple disagreement, exposing actions that directly challenge court orders. The tension rises as the details unfold, and the consequences become more severe. Once again, the judge steps in firmly, making it clear that the courtroom is a place for order and accountability. Throughout the video, what stands out most is the contrast between chaos and control. No matter how unpredictable the situations become, the judge maintains authority and composure, showing the importance of discipline within the legal system. These real courtroom moments highlight how quickly things can escalate, and how crucial it is to have someone capable of keeping everything grounded when it does.
Received employment, so been waiting for my check to come between that time.
I have a note that $1,000 was going to be paid. I don't know why.
$1,000?
Okay. Well, how would you intend on getting this paid off, sir?
So I don't get paid until the 28th.
Until the what?
The 28th of June.
Okay, but all right, let's take that. And how much would you be willing? How much are you going to be able to pay?
So with me working weekly, I get paid $5.60 on a full.
On a full check, you get how much?
$5.60 minus tax.
Because I don't know how we're going to do this if she's not here, because I'm about to. I mean, my inclination is to issue a judgment.
Well, we've been having some difficulties in being uncooperative.
Pardon?
She was being uncooperative. I would hope that you don't throw it out because I'm really trying.
She was being uncooperative.
I apologize for interrupting. I have an IM out front, but she doesn't want to come into the courtroom because of a contact order between her and her husband.
We don't have one, sir, Your Honor.
Between, are you her husband?
Yes. May I explain?
Please.
Okay, so recently she's having a spat with me. She's just upset that she wanted me to apologize for a misunderstanding that we had before coming here to court when she got verbally volatile with me. So she decided to.
Okay. That's fine. Is there a no contact order between the two of you?
No, there's absolutely not. She probably just said that just to make things worse on my end.
Well, they couldn't get much worse.
Yeah, I don't.
I'm not really sure. She can be very vindictive.
Okay, so let's not say that out loud. Can you go down the hall and
Sign her into Zoom?
no? It's here. Yeah, well, ask her if she's going to participate in the hearing. Him over here.
Sir, you have a seat over there.
All right. And what's your name?
Mariam Mahmood.
All right. There's a total amount of $25.65 owing. Was there a method by which you were intending on getting this paid, or Do you know?
I'm gonna be very honest with you, Judge.
Okay.
I have no intention of paying one penny. No intention of paying 1 penny. I've been with Barnes and Barnes since 2021 in this place. I've been with Barnes and Barnes for about 6 years now. Before that, I was in different apartments with Barnes and Barnes. Before that, I've been in EMU since I was 16. Eastern Police, Ipsy Police, all y'all have just failed me. I've been begging Barnes and Barnes to fix my house for a simple fan for heat in the winter. I'm having to take money out of my pockets to keep myself fed. I would rather sleep in my car than fight for a house, because along with this court case, I'm dealing with my dad who decided to touch me for 6 years and get away with it. Along with that, I'm dealing with my mom not cooperating and being in cahoots with him. I'd rather win a settlement than fight for this and give my last tears and blood, sweat, and tears into this. My husband doesn't understand how to speak to me nicely. That's why we're not standing here together. And I'm not gonna stand next to a man who doesn't know how to open the right door instead of the left door and snap at his wife. I'm not going to do that. I walked out because in March, I was in jail for being hopeless. Ipsy Police was in my house today at 5 a.m. when I asked for harassment. I filed a PPO. I'm getting no help. I'm hopeless, frustrated, and exhausted, and I'm done.
Okay. I just had to make sure, which is why I wanted it in the courtroom, that I was going to find no tribal issue. I was going to issue a judgment to the plaintiff. And I just wanted to make sure that you understood what the court was doing, which is why I wanted you here. All right. So the court finding no tribal issue, I'll enter a judgment for possession and money. It looks like you requested. For possession and money as to both defendants. Total amount, the 25,600, that was inclusive of costs, correct?
Yes.
In the total amount of $2,565. And an order of eviction or writ will issue in 10 days. All right, thank you.
Sorry, could you say that again? I speak 3 different languages. I'm not American, I'm British. So I didn't understand one word that came out of your mouth. I'm sorry, sir.
The whole thing?
You're throwing legal words at me, sir. I'm mentally,
Ma'am,
I'm in
all right.
middle school. I didn't pass, I
Okay.
speak 3 different languages. I'm not educated.
Okay,
So I don't understand when you throw legal terms at me. I need to speak to me like a toddler. I would understand that better. Thank you.
I'm issuing a judgment. I'm signing a judgment, a piece of paper indicating that plaintiff, your landlord, has the right to possession of the premises
Okay, so
unless $2,565 is paid prior to July 1st or by July 1st. If it's not paid by July 1st, they can then file for what's called a writ of restitution or an order of eviction to have you move. Either at that point, you can move by then or you can pay the money by then. If you fail to move, what will end up happening if they file that order of eviction, the court will sign off on it. And then what will happen is the sheriff and other police agency or the sheriff's department or a court officer will show up and will, if you haven't vacated the premises, will remove you from the premises.
yeah, and I know how the eviction process works. I just don't. I have lawyers in my family, but I'm more on the medical side rather than the lawyer side. But I appreciate all your help, and so
All right.
my husband and I aren't cooperating today.
Thank you.
Thank you for probable cause conference. This time we're asking the court to set this for the next available preliminary exam date.
Discovery is complete.
To my knowledge.
People had their witnesses available the second.
Yes, Chairman.
Preliminary examination will be set July.
Privileges. He's made he's called her 195 times.
What?
Yes. And,
Did you say 195?
yes.
Oh.
And, even one of the calls, he said, email the judge and the prosecutor and the lawyer. And that day we received the email from the victim.
Oh, that's a lie.
Stop.
That's a fucking lie.
Hey,
Oh, no, we're not gonna say that here. Both privileges are hereby ordered revoked.
Okay.
Defendant's bond is set at no bond.
I don't give a fuck.
Okay, he's now in contempt. That's 93. Anything else?
I think at this time, Your Honor.
Contempt. You got 93 on that. His bond's been revoked, it's 0, and he's got a preliminary examination. Good luck, Judge Whittingham. He got 93 on that. His bond's been revoked, it's 0, and he's got a preliminary examination. Good luck, Judge.
As this courtroom session comes to a close, what stands out most is how quickly ordinary situations can spiral into high-stakes legal drama. From the emotional chaos of a landlord-tenant dispute to the serious consequences of repeatedly violating a court order, both cases show that actions inside and outside the courtroom carry real weight. Every word, every decision, and every reaction can directly impact someone's future. What makes this video especially compelling is the clear contrast between disorder and control. Even when faced with interruptions, emotional outbursts, and outright defiance, the judge remains steady, focused, and firm in applying the law. It's a reminder that the courtroom isn't just about arguments, it's about accountability, responsibility, and consequences. In the end, these cases highlight a simple truth: respect for the legal process matters. When that line is crossed, the outcome can change instantly and dramatically. If this video kept you engaged from start to finish, don't forget to share your thoughts, and stay tuned for more real-life courtroom moments where tension runs high and justice takes center stage.